says dark colors make a small room with a low ceiling feel like a cave. That myth often holds us back from creating the space we dream of. In this video, I'll show you a 9-step tutorial to manipulate the eye using our favorite Moody palettes to make your standard room feel spacious, open, and of course, luxurious. Step 1. Choosing the right black base color. Don't be afraid of black walls in a low room. The key is to choose charcoal or onyx paint with a matte or eggshell finish. This texture will absorb light evenly, blurring the corners of the room and making the line between the walls and ceiling appear to disappear. Welcome to Ikigriya. Here, we're not just about decorating, but about creating spaces that tell stories and inspire serenity. I believe that every corner of our home is a reflection of our life's journey. Through the small details, from our color choices to the textures we touch, we are building a legacy of comfort. Today, let's rediscover the beauty within our homes. Step 2. The invisible crown technique, ceiling. For rooms with low ceilings, avoid painting the ceiling a contrasting white. Instead, use a color that's the same as the walls or one shade lighter. This will eliminate the visual cut line that makes the room feel shorter. Before we continue, please like and subscribe to the Ikigriya channel. May all Ikigriya friends soon have their dream home. Step 3. Curate low-profile furniture. Choose furniture with a low silhouette. A legless sofa or a coffee table close to the floor will create more negative space above, giving the illusion that your ceiling is much higher than it actually is. Many of you asked in the comments section of my video, what black doesn't make a room feel cramped? For a look like this, I recommend Sherwin-Williams Tricorn Black, SW6258, with a matte finish. This color is pure black with no blue or red undertones, making it a perfect neutral for small spaces. Step 4. Vertical manipulation with curtains. One of the cheapest yet most effective tricks. Install curtain rods just below the ceiling line, not directly above the window frame. Use black or dark gray velvet that hangs down to the floor to create a bold vertical line. Additional tip, if you're using dark curtains, make sure the material has some texture. Oh, and there was an interesting comment from one viewer who was hesitant to use dark colors because they were afraid the room would look gloomy. So, the next step is the key to keeping your dark room feeling alive and breathing. Step 5. Uplighting strategy for luxury. Forget large chandeliers. Use spotlights or standing lamps that point upward, uplighting. The light sweeping across the ceiling will create a sense of depth and make the room feel more spacious at night. For lighting, use a bulb with a color temperature of 2700 K, warm white. This warm light, when it hits a dark wall, creates a very luxurious gradation. If you want a color that's a little softer than solid black, try Benjamin Moore Iron Mountain, 2134-30, it's a very elegant charcoal color. Step 6. Mirrors as second windows. Place a large vertical mirror on a main wall. In a dark palette, the mirror not only reflects light but also creates visual depth, tricking the eye into thinking there's an additional room behind your black walls. A large mirror is the best investment for a low-ceilinged room. I often see you asking about paint brands in previous videos. If you're in Indonesia, a color that comes close to this aesthetic is Jotun Anthracite, 9920. Use this color consistently in the next steps to eliminate visual barriers. Step 7. Matching skirting and trim. Paint the skirting and door frames the same color as the walls. This technique extends the eye from the floor up without visual interruption, making the walls appear taller. By painting the skirting to match the wall, you've just given the illusion of an additional 10 to 15 centimeters of height to your wall. Now, for those of you who feel a black room feels too cold or stark, the organic elements in Step 8 are the solution. Step 8. Biophilic design in the dark. To address the concerns of plants struggling in dark spaces, choose indoor plants that tolerate low light, such as Sansevieria or ZZ plants. Place them on sleek, dark pedestals to add an organic element without ruining your moody aesthetic. The greenery will really pop out in front of a dark background. For reference, the blackest black color code I often use for accents is Faro and Ball Pitch Black, number 256. And to finish it all off, we need a little embellishment in the final step. Step 9. Finishing touches with metallic textures to keep the room from feeling flat. Add brass or chrome accents to door handles or picture frames. These little sparkles will break up the dominance of dark colors and provide an instant touch of high-end luxury. Thanks for watching until the end. I hope these tips help you create your dream home without having to renovate the original architecture. For more design inspiration, don't forget to check out other videos on this channel. See you in the next video.